Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to fix if you open up the chat GPT and it says that chat GPT is not available in your country right now. So first of all we will open up the chat GPT here and we will tap on this link introducing chat GPT and we will tap on this try chat GPT option here, and now you can see that chat GPT is opened up. Okay, so for you, if you actually see the message here that chat gpt is not available in your country, then there is a little fix that you can do. You have to actually change the ip address of your internet or your country. So you will go into the play store here and you will search for vpn, and you will use this vpn. Okay, because I personally use this, and this is the best vpn. So you have to like download and install this in your phone, and then you have to connect to other country through this vpn. And what this will do, this will actually change your location, and then you have to reopen the chat gpt, and then you will be able to use the chat gpt. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.